Hi guys, today I will show you how to reset Sony Android TV to its factory settings. I will show you 3 methods to reset your Sony TV. So method number 1 is viewer soft reset. It is very simple and easy to do. It is to just unplug your TV from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds. Don't be impatient. Wait for 60 seconds. Then plug it back and power on your TV. Viewers, believe it or not, it will solve your maximum problem. Method number 2 is factory reset in settings. Viewers, before doing the reset, I will suggest you to sync your apps and other settings to your Google account. Follow the on-screen instruction to sync your applications and other settings, because you will lost everything after doing the factory reset. Now viewers, press home from the remote, then go to settings, then go to storage and reset, then factory data reset, then erase everything. Then yes, here's how you can reset your TV in the factory settings. Viewers, method number 3 is factory reset by buttons on TV. If you own a Sony Android TV or a smart TV, it have buttons on the back side or underneath it. If you have 3 buttons on your TV, just press and hold these 3 buttons for 10 seconds. Don't release them. Insert the power card and power it on until this logo appears on the screen. Then you can release the buttons, viewers. Now if your TV has 1 button, do the same process. That's how you can factory reset your Sony TV. If you still have any problems, then ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them, or visit www.sony.com/support. Goodbye friends.